before his speech earlier, I was thinking, if we're hosting and I have to be the chair, it's like, I'm going to be bowling. And there he beat me to it, so. Now.
Way to go, Stefan.
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
So it's been a tradition since we have started coming that we presented a little present to the group. So we'd like to be able to present the Overland of the U.S., LA, with a little, happens when you drink just before you dance, with a little plate that is a pattern made from a book from you, Stefan, from your mom. So a little something special, I figured, so a little something to enjoy. Thank you very much for hosting us. It has been our pleasure to be a part of this organization for the last couple of years. Also, I'd like to say somebody he's not a member of our fine, but he's kind of he's a member of our extended family. And he was just bragging that he played music for quite a few people who won #1 spots. So we have a little gift for Chris Barnes, please. So, thank you very much for playing for us, Chris. You can for us at Gauverband, because our 2 #1s are going to be going for Einsel, so watch out. Fritz, here they come. So enjoy the rest of your night. Thank you. Okay, and those of you that are coming to Buffalo, we will be bringing ketchup chips, Smarties for the kids. I don't think we'll bring craft dinner, sorry, or cakey. Smarties for the kids, and Lay's all dressed potatoes. So we're going to try and... Okay, I'll get an order before we cross the border for Timmy's. But we will try to help out all our American friends if we can. Yay!
Thank you very much for the very kind gift. As I said a little bit earlier, what we do as Trocklers, we upkeep traditions. It's Bauer Malarai like this. It's our musicians. It's the dance. It's the sprock. It's don't cry.
Don't cry now.
Don't cry. Yeah. It's all these things that we hold dear. We had probably 4 or 5 generations of, we had newborns here. I know my dad just turned 83 and he still plays music for us. We have multiple generations, and we pass it down from one generation to the next. And in order for our traditions to survive, we have to work hard to engage our youth, engage our friends, engage our neighbors, and keep our traditions alive. So I hope to see you all next year at Leavenworth. I hope to see some of you in Buffalo at the Gauverband. And thank you all for coming.